Hey, hello guys, as you might have seen on your Monopoly Go application, there's a new event. Now this is a event from the past as well, because it's the one with the pickaxes. Now it's the Moonlight Treasures event, and I'm going to show you how it works, how to maximize your profits in the game, and how to actually get these pickaxes. Now the best way to earn these pickaxes is by simply playing the game, getting these events, the side quests, and what you could also do is the quick wins right here. Now as you can see, I've managed to get a quick win, and when I claim it, as you can see, I've get some pickaxes. Now this is the fastest way to actually earn these pickaxes, and I'm going to show you how to actually play the game. Now open up the game, the event, and it will take you right here to the Moonlight Treasures. Now from there, here a map appears. Now this is a map, it gets 4 tiles, 4 tiles, 4 tiles, 4 tiles, and you get these pickaxes. Now it's important to dig out these treasures. Now this is a big one, let's find it first. Now you simply, as you can see, we find one right here, and it will unlock this treasure. Now from here you can actually earn levels, and once you've earned the levels, it will give you the new prizes. And actually right here is a big prize which will earn you 2.5k of dice, so it's a pretty nice one. And as you can see, here's the staff right here, and that's it. Here you can unlock it by doing the other tiles. Now simply play the game, grind into the game. I wish everyone the most and the best of luck in the game, and remember to do the quick wins so you earn more pickaxes. Now if you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try my very best to help you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one.